begin for the 8th phase of general elections in 7 states across the country, where 95 million voters will decide the electoral fortunes of 897 candidates. Though much attention is being paid to the Rahul Gandhi versus Smriti Irani battle in Amethi of Uttar Pradesh, yet none of the parties, especially the Congress and BJP, which are desperate to come to power at the centre, can ill afford to overlook Seemandhra in the wake of state bifurcation. It will be testing time for TDP chief Nara Chandrababu Naidu, who after losing 2 battles in the past is determined to stage a comeback at least in the new Resichuri, Andhra Pradesh. Naidu is contesting from Kuppam Assembly constituency in his native Chittoor district. But he is being challenged by the YSRCP chief Vice Jagan Mohan Reddy, who is equally determined to stall TDP juggernaut to roll on. He is contesting from the Pulivendula Assembly constituency in his native Kadapa district. In fact, the political dynamics indeed changed in the Seemandhra region, which paid rich dividends to Congress in 2004 and 2009 following the decision of the UPA 2 government to create Telangana as 29th Indian state. The assembly polls are being held simultaneously in Resichuri, Andhra Pradesh for 175 constituencies and 25 Lok Sabha seats. So far, the stakes are high for YS Jagan's YSRCP as well as TDP, which is fighting the battle royal on the lines of now or never. Contrary to this, the BJP is hopeful of a strong showing partnership with Naidu's TDP. At several booths in Seemandhra, the enthusiasm appears overwhelming as voters form serpentine queues to cast their votes. Among the early voters are the YSRCP chief Vice Jagan Mohan Reddy in his native Pulivendula. Now it's a reality. Last-minute hopes of Kiran Kumar Reddy gets evaporated. Like if wishes become horses,